Hey there, and welcome back to our kitchen. Today, we're diving into a deliciously simple treat that's sure to satisfy your sweet tooth, a classic chocolate shake. To whip up this creamy delight, you'll need just a few ingredients: some rich vanilla ice cream, a splash of milk, and a generous drizzle of chocolate syrup. Start by scooping about 2 cups of vanilla ice cream into your blender. Next, pour in 1 cup of milk. This will give your shake that perfect, smooth consistency. Now, it's time for the star of the show. Add in about 1/4 cup of chocolate syrup, or more if you're feeling extra indulgent. Blend everything together until it's beautifully smooth and creamy. Pour it into a tall glass, and if you want to take it up a notch, top it with a little extra chocolate syrup or whipped cream. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious ideas. Happy blending!